Hello children, how are you? Good morning to all. So we shall move on to the next question in the exercise 6.2. What is the next question? It is fifth question. Okay, you see what it says. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the centers of the other circle. Understood, children? So what we have to do now? So first we have to draw a line segment AB is equal to how many centimeter? How much? It is 8 centimeter. Then from A you have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and from B as a center you have to draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Then from the centers of one circle you have to construct tangents to the other circle. That means here A is the center of this circle. From this center you have to draw tangents to the circle with center B. Similarly, B is the center of this circle. From this center you have to draw or you have to construct tangents to the circle with center A. Understood, children? Okay, shall we start it now? First, draw a line segment that is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So here is A and this is B. The distance between them is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to construct a circle, or we have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter at A. See, I have taken 4 centimeter radius in the compass. With A as a center, I am drawing the circle. Okay. Now, with B as a center, we have to draw another circle with radius, how much? It is 3 centimeter. Okay. So now I have taken 3 centimeter radius in the compass. With B as a center, I am drawing the circle. Okay. So we have drawn. Now what we have to do now? From the center of this circle we have to construct tangents to the circle with center B, and from B we have to construct tangents to the circle with the center A. So you know that, children, for a moment whenever you are constructing tangents to one circle, for a moment you forget the other circle. Just imagine that there is an external point. From the external point, how to construct a tangents. In the same manner, what we have done in the first and second sum, you have to work out. What we have to do, children? Taking more than half of AB. What we have to do? Taking more than half of the line segment AB, we have to construct a perpendicular bisector to the line segment AB. Okay. With A as a center, more than half of AB, draw arcs on either side of AB. Now with B as a center, with the same radius, cut the arcs drawn from A. Okay, like this. Then after that, you join them. Where it cuts the circle, line segment, let it be M, that is nothing but the midpoint. That is nothing but midpoint of AB. Okay. So now, now with M as a center, okay, taking M as a center, taking the radius of MA or MB, draw a circle. Okay, children? Okay. So, the circle with the center M, where it cuts the circle with the center A, let it be P and Q. Okay. From the point B, join PB and QB. PB and QB. Here, PB and QB are the required tangents. Which are those? So, let it be PB and QB are the required tangents. From B, isn't it? Okay. Next, what we have to do, children? Next one. So now take this. With A as a center, with A, consider the point A. Here, the circle with the center, where it cuts the circle with the center B, name it as R and S. Okay. Join AR and AS. Join AR and AS. So here AR and AS are the required tangents. Second, this is the first one. Second one. AR and AS are the required tangents from A. Understood, children? So that's all in this construction, children. Okay? Understood? Take down, children. Work out. We shall go to the next sum, that is sixth sum in the exercise. Let ABC be a right angled triangle in which AB equals 6 centimeter, BC equals 8 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD perpendicular from BD is the perpendicular from B to AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct tangents from A to this circle. Understand, children? Did you understand the question, what it is asking here? So what we have to do first, we have to draw a right angle triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. For that we have to construct a perpendicular from B to AC. Okay. Then we have to draw a circle such that the circle has to pass through the points B, C, D like this. Okay. So for this circle which passes through the point B, C, D, for this circle we have to draw or we have to construct tangents from A to this circle. So from here we have to draw tangents. It comes like this, children. Did you understand? So first what we have to do, we have to construct a right angled triangle with these measurements. Okay. So let us take. Here you are not supposed to use protractor, only scale and the compasses you have to use, children. Okay. First, what is BC here? BC is equal to 8 centimeter. I am drawing the line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Next, at B we have to construct a 90 degree angle. So for that, you know that how to do that. So taking a convenient scale with B as a center, draw a semicircle. Okay. So with the same radius, with this point as a center, if you cut the semicircle, that makes 60 degree with B. If you join this point of intersection with B, that makes 60 degree. So with this draw another arc, cut another arc, 60 plus 60 it makes, if I join this point with B, it makes 120 degree. But we need right angle that is 90 degree. For that I am bisecting the second angle, that is second 60 degree angle. Then what happens here? You see, just I am cutting like this with these 2 points as center. Once I will consider this point as a center, draw arc. Next, with this point as a center, I am cutting this arc. Now I am joining this. Join this point of intersection with B and produce. So this angle is 90 degree now. Understood? So where it A comes somewhere here. What is the measurement of AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Taking 6 centimeter radius in the compass, with B as a center, cut the arc. So where it cuts the arc, that is nothing but A. Now we have triangle ABC with B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, join this. So we have a triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now the second point is we have to construct a perpendicular from B to AC. From B to AC. How to construct? You see here. First, for that, with B as a center, you have to cut AC with a convenient radius. So here you see I am taking the convenient radius. From B I am cutting the line segment AC at 2 points. So from B with a convenient radius I am cutting AC from an arc at 2 distinct points. Okay. Now with these 2 points as center, taking more than half of these 2 points, so cut the arcs like this. Then afterwards you join point of intersection of these 2 arcs with B. So exactly it will be perpendicular to, this line is perpendicular to AC. Name it as D. What it is? D. This is point D. Okay. Now what we have to do now? We have to construct a circle that passes through the points B, C and D. That is nothing but circumcircle to the to the triangle BCD. We have to construct a circumcircle to the triangle BCD. You know that, children, to construct circumcircle to a triangle, so we have to draw perpendicular bisector for the sides. At least 2 sides we have to draw perpendicular bisector. Where these 2 perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle meet each other, that point we call it as circumcenter. What it is? Circumcenter. With that point as a center, if taking the radius with that point with any vertices of that circle triangle, if you draw a circle that passes through the points of the vertices of the triangle. Okay. So what we have to do now? First, we have to draw perpendicular bisector for any 2 sides of the triangle BCD. BCD triangle ge ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ 2 ಸೈಡು ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ BC ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ DC ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ BC ತಗೊಂಡು BD ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ BD ಮತ್ತು DC 2 ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ 2 ಸೈಡಿಗೂ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವೆರಡು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸೆಂಟರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು ಆ 3 ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. I am considering the side BC. Taking more than half of BC, okay. With B as a center, I am drawing the. Now with C as center, wait a minute. Taking more than half of BC, okay. With B as a center, I am drawing the arc, okay. with C as a center, cut the arcs drawn from B. Okay, join them. Next, now I am considering the side DC. So for that, taking more than half of DC with D as a center, drawing arc on either side of DC. With D as a center, I have drawn two arcs. Okay. Now, with the C as a center, I am cutting the arcs drawn from Now we have 2 points of intersections. So I am joining those two and I am producing that. Yes. This is the point where the two perpendicular bisectors meet each other. Okay. This point where the two perpendicular bisectors of a triangle meet each other, we call this as circumcenter. So usually the circumcenter is denoted by the symbol S. S is the point. Okay. Now, with S as a center, okay, taking SC or SD or SB radius in the compass, draw a circle. That circle will pass through all the 3 points of the triangle, all the 3 vertices of the triangle like this. You see, children, here? This circle has passed through B, D, C. Okay. For this circle, we have to construct 2 tangents from A. From A, we have to draw or we have to construct 2 tangents. Okay. So for that, what we have to do now? Join AS. Join AS. Imagine that S is an external point to the circle with the center S. For this circle, you have to construct tangents from A. Okay. For that, join AS, children. Join AS. For this AS, draw a perpendicular bisector. Now we are constructing tangents to the circle with the center S from A. So A is an external point, S is the center of the circle. Okay. For this line segment, we have to draw perpendicular bisector. You know that to construct perpendicular bisector, we have to take a radius more than half of the line segment. So here you see, for this AS, I am taking more than half of AS. Okay, drawing 2 arcs with A as a center on either side of AS. AS ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ AS ತಗೊಂಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ವಿತ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಸಣ್ಣದಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, I'll do one thing. I'll make it little longer, okay, more than half of this. Now with S as center, I am cutting the arc. So now you must be very careful, children, which are all the points we have to consider. Okay. Now join these 2 points. Okay. This is the point M. Name it M. This is the point M. So now with M as a center, taking the radius MA or MS, taking the radius MA or MS, taking the radius MA or MS, draw a circle. Draw a circle. Now, you see, children, here. Now, this is a circle drawn with M as a center. Where it cuts the circle with the center S. So, this is the point. It cuts the circle with center S. Name it as P, and already it is there. It is itself is a point. Okay. Notice. So it is B. Now join this. Join AP and AB. So here already B is there, that's what I didn't give any name for this point. Okay, children. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಆರ್ the required tangents. Understood, children? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? we have to construct a right angle triangle ABC with the measurements given here. AB equals 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So after constructing the triangle ABC, we have to construct a perpendicular from B to AC. So for that, with a convenient radius, with B as a center, you have to cut the line segment AC at 2 points. Okay, so after that, more than half of this line segment, okay, draw with a convenient radius, draw arcs so that from these 2 points, so that they cut each other. So this is the point, it cuts each other, arcs cuts each other. Join this point with B, so that line is perpendicular to AC. Where it cuts the line AC, name it as D, that is BD is perpendicular to AC. Understood, children? BD is perpendicular to AC. Next, after that, for the triangle BCD, we have to draw a circle so that it has to pass through the point B, C and D. For that, we have to construct a circumcircle. So while constructing circumcircle, we have to draw or we have to construct perpendicular bisectors at least for any two sides of the triangle. So for that I have considered BC one of the side and DC is another side. For this BC, taking more than half of BC, I have drawn two arcs on either side of BC. So with B as a center, then with the C as a center, with the same radius, I have cut the arcs. So where it cuts the arcs, I have joined, it is one perpendicular to BC. Next, I have considered DC. For this, taking more than half of DC, draw arcs on either side of DC. So these two, they cut each other at this point. Okay, these are the points. When I produce that perpendicular drawn to DC, cut the perpendicular drawn from BC at this point. This point, you name this as S. What it is? S. What do you mean by S? It is nothing but circumcenter. So with this point as a center, taking the radius of SB or SC or SD. If you draw a circle, that circle passes through B, C, D. Okay, this is the pink circle, is the circle required for that. For this pink circle, we have to construct tangents. Understood, children? Now, after that, after drawing the circle, join A and S, because S, this is the circle for which we have to construct tangents. So this is the center of this circle. Join AS. For this AS, we have to draw perpendicular bisector. So once again, taking more than half of the line segment AS, draw arcs with A as a center and with S as a center on either side of AS. Let them intersect each other at these 2 points. Join them. So where this perpendicular bisector cuts AS, that is the midpoint of AS, with M as a center, taking MA or MS in the compass, taking the radius of MA or MS in the compass, draw a circle. Where it cuts the circle with the center S, this is the point P, and here is another point where it cuts the circle each other. So we have to give Q, but already there is a name for this point. I didn't give any other name. So keeping B as such. Okay. Now join AP and AB. So here AP and AB are the tangents, required tangents, or what is they are the tangents it is asked to construct for the circle which passes through the vertices of the triangle BCD. Understood, children? 1 or 2 times you work out, you watch this video 1 or 2 times, you stop wherever you are required, step by step you construct it. Okay, you will come to know that. Okay, understood, children? Okay, take down.